Welcome to Yellow Tunnel. My name is Propelling. I'm CEO and founder of Yellow Tunnel. Today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day, talk about technology, sell-off in semiconductors. Today is earnings season started and rally in banks. All right, that's the theme. For those of you who are new, this is my brief bio. For those of you who are new, I think one of the main differences between our services and other services is that we are providing technology, neural networks, AI models, based on latest advances in AI that provides signals in the market, short-term, medium-term signals. And I also trade these signals in a live trading room on a daily basis. Disclosures are very important. I'm going to go through specific trade signals and how I trade them. If you're new to trading stock or options, I encourage you to visit the link so you understand the risk associated with trading stock or options. Link on your screen. You can pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. Right, let's take a look. Look in the aggressive power trader for today. FedEx, Home Depot, JP Morgan, ExxonMobil, all positive except FTX on the down day. Actually, on the down day today, spiders are down over 1%. We haven't had this kind of pullback in quite some time. Still, medium to short term, the stock market is overbought and can pull back. We've seen a lot of positioning at 540 and 550 in terms of dealer positions. So I still think 540 and 550 level will hold, and this is more of just a temporary rotation. But you know, end of July, August usually are bearish for the market, so we could have a more pullback, higher pullback. Probably not 10% like last year, but maybe 5%, 5 to 10%. This time around, and a lot of it will depend on earnings. So far, so I think it's still, the pullback will be temporary and we will have higher highs and higher lows, but we are entering August, September, where the market usually prone for volatility and pullbacks. One of the reasons why I think it's going to be short-lived, because small caps are leading the market on above average volume, reaching this kind of unprecedented volume and escape velocity above 210. So I think small caps continues to go higher and do the catch-up trade, potentially reaching all-time high, finally reaching 2022 high. Could be sooner than later, but we're already maybe 5% away from that, or maybe 10% away from the July highs. Today, mega cap technology sold off. NVIDIA, ASML, AMAT, all of the semiconductor stocks sold off. Pretty sharp pullback on, you know, worse than expected guidance from ASML. You have this sharp pullback in semiconductors. Still off into all the leaders, whether it's Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, General Electric, even stocks like NBO and Eli Lilly pulled back, silver pulled back. So you definitely see, but the signals from today, the ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, UNH, JP Morgan continues to trade higher. So you definitely have a rotation out of 10-year rotation into interest-sensitive sectors. So small caps outperforming, regional banks continue to trade higher, outperforming the market. And everything has to do with 10-year yield making new lows. Incremental new lows, breaking below this important October 22 highs, and dollar continues to pull back. So that all of that is bullish. So I think it's a rotation trade. We'll see how much further it can get. A lot of it will depend on earnings as we have more and more earnings coming up. But today, pretty sharp pullback in semiconductors, 7% down. Let me see, I didn't even notice last 15, did it accelerate? Yeah, for the last 15 minutes, it accelerated to the downside. Okay, another 1.5%. So pretty sharp pullback in semiconductors. In terms of macroeconomic data, PageBook today probably accelerated the sell-off, and then Thursday we have initial jobless claims and several regional Fed speakers. I did trade JP Morgan based on the signal, looking for 1% profit. I did 1% profit intraday, and then looking for 2% profit. I think banks continue to go higher. We talked about silver. Silver did pull back today, but I still think it's a pattern of higher highs and higher lows in silver. So I would stay bullish on silver. I think the 50-day moving average may or may not hold, but the 26 level I think will hold. So I would be buyer in 27 and 26 levels. So that's JP Morgan, small caps, rotation to small caps. So we're going to spend more time talking about current market condition on Sunday at 10 a.m. We're going to have an hour webinar where I can answer all your questions. I'll talk about portfolio construction, rebalance, and some of the trade ideas. So please join me on Sunday, 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, and also on social media. Search for the word Yellow Tunnel at tunnel_yellow. Hit and follow if you haven't done that. We're trying to grow our user base, and we get blogs, webinars, videos that are posted here, and I hope you can join us. Thank you very much and have a great day.